Have you ever imagined yourself being at the heart of cutting-edge technology, where every day brings new challenges and opportunities for growth? Imagine navigating a world of complex machinery and technical challenges, all while mastering the art of detailed note-taking and problem-solving. This is the daily reality for me as a third-year electrical apprentice at Mazak. Over the past 2 years, I've had the privilege of immersing myself in every facet of our factory floor, from gaining hands-on experience with intricate electrical systems on our CNC production lines to sheet metal working. I've explored the full spectrum of our manufacturing process. Each rotation has deepened my understanding and broadened my skill set. Precision is key in our field, and I've embraced this wholeheartedly. By crafting my logbook entries in the second person, I've ensured clarity and accountability, which has earned commendations from my supervisors. My detailed notes have even become a benchmark for fellow apprentices, underscoring the value of meticulous documentation in achieving excellence. But it's not just about what I've accomplished so far. I'm currently a part of a groundbreaking coolant pump project aimed at evaluating the carbon pricing based on greenhouse gas emissions. This initiative is not only about optimising efficiency, but also about making a tangible impact on our environmental footprint. Our work on this project will help determine the financial and environmental impacts of our equipment, guiding future decisions on pump replacements. This directly supports Mazak's commitment to sustainability and cost effectiveness, demonstrating how technical innovation can drive real-world change. I face challenges beyond the factory floor. As an apprentice ambassador, I've conducted 26 factory tours, represented Mazak at 14 careers fairs, and delivered numerous presentations to students about the benefits of an apprenticeship. Each experience, although initially daunting, has been a stepping stone in building my confidence and technical knowledge. Some people might think that an apprenticeship is just about technical skills, but it's so much more. It's about personal growth, leadership and community involvement. My role as an apprentice ambassador has allowed me to inspire others and demonstrate that apprenticeships are a gateway to both professional and personal development. Engineering isn't just about creating things, it's about innovating, solving problems and making a meaningful impact. I hope that my story will encourage others to embrace the world of apprenticeships and discover their own path towards making a difference.